Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace brake pads. Ford Focus full guide. First, park the car on level ground and set the parking brake. Place wheel chocks behind the rear wheels and loosen the lug nuts slightly. Use a quality jack and secure the vehicle on jack stands. Keep safety glasses and gloves on while working and make sure the handbrake is disengaged before rotating the wheel. Prepare your workspace with a clear layout of tools and parts so you move efficiently. You will need a 17 mm socket, C-clamp, torque wrench, and brake cleaner on hand. Choose OEM or high-quality pads and new mounting hardware to avoid noise and poor wear. Inspect rotors and calipers for scoring or dragging and decide whether to resurface rotors or replace them for the best braking performance. Quick recommendation: if you are working in the garage, you might want a reliable water bottle nearby. The Oala water bottle keeps drinks secure and easy to sip during oily jobs or long checks, and it fits most cup holders. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After loosening lug nuts, remove the wheel and take off the caliper bolts carefully. Hang the caliper on the suspension with a hook or bungee to protect the brake hose. Remove the old pads and clean the bracket with a wire brush. Use a C-clamp to compress the piston fully, then install new pads and anti-squeal shims. Reassemble components, torque lug nuts to spec, bleed if needed, and pump the pedal before testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.